In this video, I'll show you how to download and create a macOS Tahoe Bootable USB drive on your old unsupported Mac, and we'll do it without using OpenCore Legacy Patcher. OpenCore is an incredible tool for installing the latest versions of macOS on older unsupported Macs. But currently, it doesn't support macOS Tahoe. And even if you're making a Tahoe USB for a supported Mac, you actually don't need OpenCore. It's not typically used, just to create a bootable installer. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest and most reliable way to create a macOS Tahoe bootable USB drive using your old unsupported Mac. And not just that. If you want to make a USB for an older version like macOS Catalina or High Sierra on your new M4 or M5 Mac, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step, using one simple tool that works perfectly on both new and old Macs, even for macOS versions that Apple no longer officially supports. Before we begin, make sure you have two things ready: a blank 32GB USB drive and a good internet connection for downloading macOS directly from Apple. Once you've got those ready, plug your USB drive into your Mac and open Disk Utility. From the View menu, select Show All Devices. Now choose the top level of your USB drive and click Erase. Keep the name as it is. Set the format to macOS Extended Journaled. And make sure the scheme is set to GUID partition map. When everything looks good, hit Erase, and wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, simply close Disk Utility. Your USB drive is now ready for the next step. Next, open your browser and visit Mist's GitHub page. Mist is a lightweight but super handy app that lets you download official macOS installers and firmware files directly from Apple's servers. After downloading, drag the Mist app into your Applications folder. When you launch Mist, it automatically connects to Apple's Update Catalog and loads a full list of available macOS versions. You'll see two tabs, Installers and Firmware. The Firmware tab is mainly for Apple Silicon Macs, M1 to M5. The Installers tab includes almost every macOS version, from the newest releases all the way back to macOS X Lion. You can also tick Show Beta if you want to view beta versions. Show Compatible only to see installers that match your current Mac model. Alright, now comes the fun part. Go ahead and pick any macOS version you want. For this demo, I'm choosing macOS Tahoe. If you want Mist to do everything for you, download the installer and create the bootable USB automatically. Just click this button. Now, since we're downloading macOS Tahoe on an unsupported Mac, you might see a little warning pop up. Don't worry about it, just ignore it and keep going. Then, choose your USB drive from the list. Click Confirm and Mist takes over from there. It'll download the installer and build the bootable macOS USB for you, completely automatically. Now let me explain. If you'd rather just download the installer to upgrade your Mac, or maybe create the bootable USB manually, well, that's totally fine too. Simply click this button to download the installer file only. Once the download is complete, you'll see a green checkmark confirming that everything went smoothly. And that's it. So next time, whether you're creating an old macOS bootable USB on a new Mac, or a new macOS installer for an older one, this method is one of the most reliable and beginner-friendly ways to do it. Thanks for watching. And if this video helped you out, and you'd like to support this new channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.